Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. We will be solving two examples in this video. So let's start with our first example. In our first example we have a question where we need to find five rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. So before we start our video, let's revise the definition for rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which are in the form of P over Q. P over Q, that means they are in the form of fractions, where P and Q are real numbers. They are real numbers and Q is not equal to 0. If these conditions are fulfilled by any fraction, that means it is a rational number. So now let's start with our first example. We have been given two rational numbers, 5 by 6 and 7 by 8, and we need to find five rational numbers between these numbers. So for finding the rational numbers between any two rational numbers, we need to first make sure that the denominator of the two rational numbers are equal. So we have here 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. So the denominators are 6 and 8, which are different. So we need to take the LCM to make the denominators equal. So let's take the LCM of 6 and 8. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 4 is 8. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2 and then 3 times 1 and this is also 1. So the LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 24. So the LCM of the two numbers 6 and 8 is 24. So let's make the denominators of the two numbers equal. So 5 by 6 times 4 times 4, which is 24, and this will be 20 over 24. So our first fraction is 20 over 24 and the second fraction is 7 by 8 times 8 times 3 is 24. So as we are multiplying the denominator by 3, we have to multiply the numerator too. So this will become 21 by 24. Now we have two fractions, 20 by 24 and 21 by 24, and we need to find five rational numbers in between the two numbers. By just looking into the fraction, we cannot write any rational number in between the two fractions because the fraction 21 by 24 comes just after 20 by 24. So what we'll do, we'll increase or make equivalent fraction bigger than these fraction so that we can write more fractions in between the two fractions. So how we'll do it? We know that we need to find five rational number between the two fractions. So we'll multiply the two fractions by a number which is more than 5. So here we are going to multiply the two fractions by 6 in order to get 5 fraction in between the two fractions. So this is 20 by 24 times 6 and the other fraction is 21 by 24 times 6. As this is a fraction, so we are multiplying it by 6 over 6. Numerator and denominator both we have to multiply by the same number. And we have taken 6 because we need to find 5 rational numbers in between the two fractions. So we will take a number which is more than 5. So 6 times 20 is 120 and 6 times 24 comes out to be 144. Similarly here 6 times 21 is 126 and 6 times 24 is 144. Now we have two fractions as 120 by 144 and the other one is 126 by 144. And we need to write 5 fractions in between the two fractions. So just after 120 we can write 121 by 144. This is 122 by 144 and the next one is 123 by 144. The fraction next to it is 124 by 144 and 125 by 144. So these are all the 5 fractions in between the two fractions which we need to find out. So this is how you can find rational number in between any two rational numbers. Now let's solve our second example, which is find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Here we have a negative rational number, but the method is same. First we need to make the denominators of the two fractions same or equal. Fraction is minus 3 by 2 and the other fraction is 5 by 3. Make the denominators of the two fractions equal, we'll find the LCM of the denominators, which is 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So the LCM of two numbers is 6. Let's make the denominators of the two fractions equal. So this will be minus 3 by 2. To make it equal to 6, we'll multiply it by 3. So if we are multiplying the denominator by 3, we have to multiply the numerator too. So this will be minus 9 by 6. This is our first fraction. And the second fraction will be 5 by 3 multiply by 2 times 2. To make 3 equal to 6, we have to multiply it by 2. And as we are multiplying denominator by 2, we have to multiply the numerator too. So this will be 10 by 6. Now our two fractions are minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. And we need to write 5 fractions in between these two numbers, in between these two rational numbers. So if we imagine a number line in between the two numbers, we can easily write the numbers in between them. When we move to the right of minus 9 by 6 in the number line, we'll get minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6. And from 10 by 6, if we'll move to the left in the number line, we'll get 9 by 6 and 8 by 6. We can even write more numbers in between them. We already got 5 rational numbers, so we'll stop here. So these are the 5 rational numbers in between the two numbers. This minus 9 by 6 is equal to minus 3 by 2. These are equivalent fractions. And this 10 by 6 is equal to 5 by 3. So the two fractions are minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. And 5 rational numbers are written here. So this is how you can find rational numbers in between any two rational numbers. Let's take a recap of the method. To find the rational numbers, first we'll check the two fractions are having equal denominators or not. If they are not having equal denominators, we'll make the denominators of the two fractions equal. And then imagining the two numbers on the number line, we can write the rational numbers in between the two numbers. If the numbers are small and we are not getting the required number of rational numbers, we can make the fractions bigger by multiplying it by a bigger number. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.